Hey everyone, today we're talking about TesterUp, the app that promised to pay you for testing games, apps, and surveys. Sounds like easy money, right? But is it actually worth your time or just another clickbait trap? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. TesterUp has been making the rounds online, claiming you can earn hundreds just by completing simple tasks. On the surface, it sounds awesome, but once you're in, it's a bit more complicated. Many users reported while it is possible to earn, the payout requirements are super high. Some tasks require hours of playtime or spending your own money to reach out to cash out. There's hope. So there's not quite as effortless as the ads make it seem. On Trustpilot, Tester upholds a 3.6 star rating, which is not terrible but not glowing either. A lot of people say it feels legit at first, but gets frustrating fast due to unclear terms and payout delays. Reddit users seem split too. Some managed to earn a little, others say it wasn't worth the effort, or it felt a bit misleading. TesterUp isn't necessarily a scam, but it's definitely not a fast cash grab either. If you're super patient and reading the fine print, you might earn a bit, but for most people, it's probably more hassle than it's worth. Have you tried TesterUp? Was it worth your time? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you like honest reviews like this, hit that like button and subscribe for more.